dear learners, it's a beautiful day and I'm grateful that I have life to see it. And I'm also grateful that you are alive today to see today's lesson. Alright, in our previous lesson we learned about materials and we were talking about the fact that materials are made of metals, wood, water and so on. So today we are going to classify the materials as solid, liquid or gas. So now, materials have been classified into three groups. That is solid, liquid or gas. Let's look at solid. Solids are hard objects. They are what? Hard objects. And examples are stone, eraser, book, ice block, table, and so on. Now let's look at the characteristics of solids. A. Solid objects have shapes and sizes. So meaning we have some big or small. Okay, and then B. Solid objects do not flow. They don't pour down, okay, like how the other group does, okay. Now C. We can see, touch, and hold solid objects. So meaning with this solid object, you can hold it in your hand and you can see what you are holding. Alright? Okay, now let's go to liquids. Liquid is a substance that can flow. That can what? Flow. Good. Examples are water, oil, Fanta. Remember Fanta? Good. Paint, Coke, and so on. So the characteristics of liquids. A. We can see and touch liquids. Alright? And then B. We cannot hold liquids in our hands. Try that and see, okay? Pour water in your hand and see whether it will hold. Okay? Alright. C. Liquids do not have shapes or sizes. D. They can pour, we can pour liquids from one container to another. So meaning if it's in one bowl and the other bowl, you can just take one and then pour it on a different bowl. Okay? Alright. Now, E. They take the shapes of the container they are poured in. So most of the bowls we have, they are in a circle shape, okay, or round shape. So if you pour the water in a round bowl, you see that the water looks rounded in the bowl. Okay, if it's in a square bowl, you see that the water will look square. Okay, alright, so that's the meaning of the fact that it takes the shape of the container that is poured in. Okay, now let's come to gas. The air that we breathe in is a gas. Is it true or false? True. Good. There are other kinds of gases around us. And examples of these gases are smoke, water, vapor, liquid petroleum gases, which is cooking gas, the one that mommy has been using with a gas stove, okay, stove to cook and on it for you. Alright, now let's look at the characteristics of gas. We cannot touch or hold gas, but we can feel and smell Then, is it true? Whenever you are outside and you want to breathe, do you feel the air you breathe? Yes, you do. Okay. Now that ends today's lesson. There are exercises for you to do for me. Let mom and dad take a shot of it when you are done and send to me personally on WhatsApp. So until we meet in our next lesson, have a beautiful and wonderful day.